You're in the suit.
And when I say a lyrics comedy play, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for... hear you and she out you. And some of them left them nasty on the other side. I'm going to pick up all part. I know for them when you see a walk around with Reddit man, them only wife and paper.
Until I say, me and you there. Fool.
So they can never true me and you there.
So what?
True me and you there.
Well, give me a second there. Okay. Me and you there. Me and you got a contract. That's true.
And if it's summer, I go over my yard now.
That's true.
And then you know that?
Then you never know, sir. When you have a contract, you try down there. When you got a contract, you come broke in. But when you're there, you're sleeping.
Franco! Go and go eat your breakfast.
Breakfast?
Your wife fuck you know go eat. You think me not here? I want to say my big friend come from me and tell her, who not too bright?
Chuchu, you're lying.
Who not too out of order?
Chuchu, that girl is lying. Anybody talk about breakfast?
Of course.
She lies, sir.
And you lie too. Frank, you don't say I want to go look at the breakfast for you. Now who you afraid of? Them can't beat you.
I'm not afraid of who neither. He's not afraid of who.
I'm going inside. I don't want to stay out here. Because I don't want to get myself in no trouble. So you know I go inside. Make I leave you. Powerpuff girl in a Jackie Chan.
I don't know. All right, SpongeBob. You're too bright, Frank. You're too out of order. You be have discipline.
Why you come here and chop the woman?
So, man.
Hey, Chuchu, why you make so much trouble? Why you make so much trouble? You know, see a terrible girl. Look by you. You're too terrible, girl, man. You say a black and girl.
Yes, me know me black. But the black and the berry, the sweet and the juice. You can stop it. No too black. Serious note, Frank. I overstyle this, Frankie.
Oh, me know anything.
You don't know.
How do I know?
Mark, come with the bag.
Hey! How dare star?
And that's what the people don't know. Frankie, I will give them money if you want me.
How many people know?
Mark, come with the bag.
All right, I'm in there somewhere.
Sorry, you. Frank, you're bright. You call up me a few man a big friend. And you never lend me a money here to my business and you lend cheap. You're bright, I know me a go talk. I know me a go talk.
Come here,
What?
come here. Listen. You say you, Chuchu.
Frank.
Frank.
Doesn't touch me. You know what, Frank? You is not my eye. You know who is my time? He's dangerous. He's not a wellness life.
Let's get the girl. No matter takes her sick. Not because she's fine, you see, and it's for you. Let's get the girl. No matter takes her
make sure you come. No. Police don't have statues.
Well. I'm going to see what the officer needs now.
Oh.
Good morning.
So, you're the big man here, yeah?
Yes, man, let me run things.
Oh. I hear about Passa Passa going on about the place, you know. Is this number 34?
34 calories.
Okay, I hear them of these things off a stall. Oh, I miss that. What's going on?
Alright, listen. This is 34? This is not 34, this is 0004. Oh, you want something?
The officer is going to be holding.
I'm going to get something for you today. Oh, yeah? Oh, will you get something for the officer? Something strong?
Hello. Come here. Some stuff with green uniform. I don't hear him.
Yeah, you should get a thing for drink money. He will say, you said you report in this case.
Yes, man.
Yes, man, you. Alright, Sean, give me that and not an angel.
She's more than an angel. I tell you, no man in green uniform. Are you saying him? You ain't knowing there with soup. Congratulations. Traveling on one spear. Let me see the left foot. Sticks not in the other one cut. No, me no. Oh.
Because you don't want to go on and then I'm coming back to them. We're not out there to be said. They're supposed to do it. Well, hi, my friend. You see that lady going to come on? You have food. You try to watch somebody, but nobody watch her. When you was saying that, hi. Yeah, idiot man. No man can't eat it. I mean, you have to keep it like that. Hello? There? Are you sleeping there? How are you coming here? Boy, to them. Them. Oh my God. Were you sleeping?
No, we just like,
Oh my God. I'm laughing at some of your eyes. When you look at me. Oh boy. You know what's a girl in there? Shady girl, the girl from I know she's not coming up, you know. So we say, when the drink comes to my apartment and spend the night.
no problem.
What do you mean, no?
Bad to bad. Pearl and I have our differences, but me now go in a the woman house.
Hi.
Right.
Then, when we come here, this is your apartment, it's a 2-room. And they put on them 2 there. So that is my apartment, so you go in there, so, and my apartment can go some crop.
I'm not going in there.
What do you mean? No, I want to know. Yeah, you know something, no? Me know something like that, you know. I'm going to tell you feel no urgent. You don't feel like you want. You don't feel like you want something. You don't feel funny. How you feel about that?
No. Back up. Where you come on? A baby argument having from A. Listen, baby, how we are now?
Well, I mean, like I'm feeling that you see no name.
Let me ask you a question.
Eh?
Yes. How much money will you give for the rent again?
Not 6,000.
Only 6.
You didn't give me more than that.
Oh, man, that's still too bad.
It was less.
Sure.
Yes, yeah.
You know, so I'm not a doctor.
Yes.
Eh? You look like I forgot about $2,000 back out on the rent.
I'll give it to you. I'll give it to you, dear. Yes, baby.
This is some kind of hot when I forgot about the doctor.
We know.
They can't let me $1,000 more from the taxi here.
Of course. It's perfect. Yes,
Somehow we're gonna go to the doctor. You see?
You want something to drink?
Oh Lord, we can't get $1,000 more for buy for the lunch money.
They don't must eat. You have to eat. Yes.
Frank,
Yes, darling.
me don't know what poor people are gonna do now.
Me say that too. Me don't know.
It's rough.
It's rough, bad.
It's tough, bad man.
Really tough.
After you spend $2,000 for see the doctor, $1,000 for your taxi fare, $1,000 for your lunch money.
Christ have mercy, man.
Then them give you this big hell of a prescription. Frank, it's bad.
It's bad.
You can borrow $4,000 more out of the rent for me fill the prescription. You hear, Frank?
Hi. No. They're good, you know.
What me good with?
If I dare say give back the rent.
Say boobs there, yes we go and go eat him out, girl. Say boobs there, yes they go and go give him yes. Say boobs there.
All right, you're going to feed.
Yes, Frank.
That's a bit of money.
Oh, boy.
How was I going to be a man?
Take con boy, you think me easy? Yes. Why? Frank! Look here, look here, Frank. Not do them things, the man. Frank, you nearly give me heart attack out there, no man. Frank, leg on me blouse, man. Your wife come in here, come see we. Frank, behave yourself, man. Frank, stop it now.
That con girl, you think me easy?
Kevin, behave yourself, man. I see the girl walking with her mother.
Yo, yes, I skettled that.
Jesus, let the mother favor the boom. Watch her go like she's a virgin.
Like this kettle, and I look like the bomb. People like those. Mother, you not talk rubbish, I burn rubbish. Okay. Let me ask you a question.
Aren't you a virgin?
Of course I'm a virgin, mother. I want to be well educated like you when I grow up. I'm a virgin, of course.
So what education has to do with virginity?
You don't know? Well, a lot more than you know.
Don't point those naked fingers at me. Go over there and have a seat. Hold on. Look where the little coaster buses them start turning articulated. Oh, you're smelling yourself. Listen to me, don't get fresh with me in a little. You know, there's nothing some of you young people. You just don't appreciate what parents have to do for you. Eh? I'm spending too much money for you to attend college, for you to come out and be like those regular people would call them. You try your best to think about your education and don't ever think about man. Leave man for later. You understand me? I acquired a lot and I did it all by myself. Yeah? Let me say this. Your father was the first man for me to see in case you didn't know. And he still is. Okay. Anyway, just go inside, get me a glass of water and put a few cubes of ice in it. Because with that humidity downtown, I really don't want to go inside that house. In there, it's supposed to act like fire.
Mother, I think you should go for that water yourself.
So, why not?
Just shut your blasting mouth and go for the water.
I mean, yo, what I want to say to you is that I'm your mother. If you communicate with me, you don't have to shout. You can talk softly. I'll understand what you're saying. I know I don't reach the age of senility yet. I don't even reach menopause. But just enlighten me.
Anything.
Where do I live?
Right here, Mom.
And it's who that just come out.
Not again, she.
Don't talk like that.
It's their mother.
Is it your father? What? Frank? He's up to some. Frank!
Yes, dear.
Get out here instantly.
Word! Word and pop! Word! Word! Me and pop right up the bridge.
Start talking before I get out my rockers.
You see, when me have come, I'm in control. Me climb up on the water and I clean it. And it turn over me. And drop on top of it. And it all out. Guess who won't come rescue me?
become generous to read. That's the one that I had dusted before I went to the market. Okay, and it fell on you.
It's your problem.
And your hand is broken.
Yeah, man, Papa.
The Lord of mercy. That means every single one of my figurines are broken.
No! It got to be a miracle. Listen, when the work not done over, and she come and lift it up, not one of the crack removed. Don't move.
Oh, really?
It got to be a miracle.
I know. You think I'm naive, right?
I know I'm evil, man.
So your hand is broken.
It popped right in the ribs.
Frank, there is no swelling on the hand whatsoever. No swelling at all.
No, it's on the inside.
Frank, just stop this foolishness. Just right. Fix yourself here. You don't look proper at all.
Yes, my daughter.
Fix yourself properly.
Me can't go, I can't go.
Okay.
Me can't go. Me can't go.
Come on.
What? Your papi out.
Oh, really? Okay. Yaya, please take these things inside the kitchen from here and I'll unpack them when I get to it. As a matter of fact, unpack them. And do me a favor, put on the kettle with some water and make sure you full it up. When it boils up, call me. Sure. As for you, my darling husband, just go inside and undress yourself by taking off your entire garments and lay down in the bed. No, on second thought. Go inside the bath. I'll work better that way.
Tell me something, wife. You didn't have discreet?
No, Frank, I'm married to one. Go on.
No, that sounds funny. Hi, Lily girl. And you tell your mama everything you say. Have mash up, you know.
As those girls would say, maybe I should have put on a pot of hot coconut oil. But never mind, let me get to the meat of the matter.
Wait. Why when them people want anything to buy, them come bang down my door? Where them a bang down my door for?
Damn, it is my door.
Sure. Why not bang down the door first? We don't want something to buy, we don't call, man. How about that? I wish you could pick that. I must one of them run gone. Box cover. Oh, are you?
Are you having an affair with my husband?
Why you don't ask your husband if he's having an affair with me?
She got her sister. But never mind, what I really call out here to talk to you about, you see? I was checking the books, and according to the records, I can't understand why you owe 3 months rent.
Back up. You try back up, you know me love. I want ELL. She no owe nobody no money. Would I rather not close up? But me pay my bills. So whosoever look after your books, ask them to take another look. Because them now look good.
Okay, never mind. Second on the agenda. I have some relatives coming from abroad.
So how does that affect me? May I fly plane?
No, darling, you don't have such capability.
None of us.
Whatever. What I'm merely trying to ask you is to vacate the place.
You do what?
It's a damn face. You don't know what the word vacate means.
Me know what it mean and me now come out. Me now come out. You know what? Go call the bailiff. No, as a matter of fact, can't me go a court. You're too bright, come now come out.
You know, so I'll let Frank deal with you because I can't understand what you mean.
Call Frank. Frank and me daddy. Beat me Frank. You and me daddy.
I don't know why this lady's killing out herself and showing me her breakfast, lunch, and her dinner.
Lord, me love have a happy meal and happiness.
No. I have a terrible stomach, so I have to watch very carefully what I eat. Frank! Frank!
Yes, dear. Oh, what happened again? It's what happened again.
You are.
I start size it.
Never mind. Leave that pettiness for later.
Hey, pettiness.
What you really call it okay to talk to you, see? Can't imagine. I was trying to communicate with that Zanzibar over
Like your mama.
This is what they're telling me, fam.
Like your mama and your mama people that not get the wriggling you know. Look here now, Frank. You see that Doberman you have over there, sir? May I beg you, put a leash on it. Come with two kitty tonight, yeah. Me with two car in our yeah.
Call the police. I'll call the police.
Call the police when they come and took them in for them too.
Listen to me. I want you to get rid of that blasting Pokemon that you have inside you now.
I wish you know. Pokemon. Woo! No! Hello, Pokemon. I tell you,
Frank.
you better be this so.
Frank.
Yes, dear.
This is serious, man.
You know, it's serious.
Imagine I just come out here talking to her about the rent, you know, and she had the audacity to tell me that she doesn't want to rent no Frank.
What do you mean?
Let me know what is
Oh, yeah, she can't
That's what she said.
What do you mean she doesn't say she don't want to rent? She can't tell that box that she don't want to rent. How she can't say she don't want to rent? How the hell she can't say she don't want to rent?
Why the box daddy shouting at me? Why they go over there to that Digimon stuff?
So what? You think me afraid of? What? How you tell me why I say don't want to rent? Listen, how you tell me why I say don't want to rent? You don't want to rent, eh? Tell you don't want to rent.
Frank, back up.
Me back up.
A man you drop me in a me eye. Now, Frank, try and remember. Didn't I pay you the rent?
Then you pay me rent.
Frank.
You pay me rent?
Frank. Try remember, you know. Me no pay you the rent, Frank.
You pay me rent then?
Frank. Me no pay you the rent.
She pay me the rent.
Since she already paid you the rent, what happened to all those money?
How? Me take you pay the light bill.
Frank, it's foolishness right now, because it's 6 months now I've been paying the utility bills.
How are you telling me I'm a liar? Are you accusing me that I'm telling a lie? Hey, my friend, see my good friend, now me and you work for the water commission and pay the light bill.
Sometimes I even wonder why I even bother with you, Frank. Anyway, secondly, you don't remember that our relatives coming from abroad?
Yeah, remember.
So just simply ask her to vacate the place. And you know what she told me?
What she tell you?
We're to take her to court.
Then take her to court then.
What court has to do with this?
So what?
I said, what court has to do with this?
Well, maybe she want new furniture.
Yes. Yes, I could have done good with it. Yes.
Let me deal with this. Let me say something, you see, Missy?
No, the name is Dell. D-E-L-L Dell.
Okay, Miss D-E-L-L.
All right, you can spell.
You know what I notice is some of us underprivileged people will have the little freeness, you see? But legally, something you notice, you will have 3 months to live free. Of course, you don't have to pay me anything, but try look somewhere in the meantime. And after that, I would appreciate you would take your barren self, not the head out of here.
But how are this money doing? It's one to free your mama dinosaur where you have inside. You can't talk about my shape. You need cut that never second and in a mill mogo. And you shape like lampshade. But look you know, Frank. I trouble your wife, you know. Bad to bad. Me not trouble her, you know. And she always see me and trouble me, you know. Frank, me I beg you, for the last time, me I beg you, talk to your wife. Because any day me hold her, you know.
Hey, man, I can't talk to my woman. Hey, you can't talk to my woman, say again. Hey, girl, me about stars, you see. Hey, boy, I put you up.
Shut up! Mother calls you that you don't know manners, you know. You got to know. Out! You know. They're going inside the famous spot.
Wait, maybe grand. You know what she did doing? Whoa, them can't stop Chu Chu. Yes, me bring the gossip come give you.
Chu Chu, I thought it was something else. You know I'm not into that thing.
So you don't want the gossip again?
No.
So you graduate now? Alright. You graduate. And you look here and me come to tell us you see man where you live with. And then we do man where I say, but because I know you might have some milk time for me. Draw tear, my big friend, draw tear. Hold me back, hold me. Rotted. Aye, Mr. Gentleman, do you want a proper fix? A fair one. I hear about my big friend dig. Why your place to dig? Tell me what you look for. When you find it, tell me. I can't want to eat. A little anthrax. Give me my bag. Whoa, wait. Ah, come to me, call me here. Alright, later. It's me a big gossip. I wait for the just you know. No! You don't think that she had tell me something. You're not telling me nothing. I'm here to tell you. And you, when we get to the meat of the matter, you have a problem in your house. You need to get out.
Why is that, Chu Chu?
The other day when I come inside the house, I come see she and the man in a mouth.
You joking?
Look how me face go though. Me not joke. I see you see anything Chu Chu say? You see if you don't go so? I will not know it.
You know that I've heard this before?
And you're going to hear it again. So get a road. And you see anytime you can get a road, I can't always get the room because you want company inside the here. So get a road, I'm going to get the room here. Oh. Get me. So what you couldn't get a room.
Chu Chu, you're always unemployed.
And so what I know. Some people have the plan don't even know where. better. Eh? You don't need to get 2 more. God! You know what? Make a come out of the magazine people. Make a come out of there. Make a come out of there.
Get me what
just a missing out for the stall. And they want Frank to pay for them. Because I have feeling same look up with me and I'm done with stall like peppermint. Everywhere you go and drink him left him glass, them spoon doing something. Too bright. Well, continue. Well. The stall, you look more good.
Check from.
Yeah, there's one time.
Me big friend! Wait! Me big friend!
Against your nerves.
What? Me big friend! Shut up! Where one I know? There's nobody know there. I'm not feel good. Today I'm on my worst day. You know what? You see me talk now with a big friend. Something to me bad, but I'm not going to share it with you now. But I'm going to sit up and be too much, I'm not going to kill me. You see, after last night, me was a show, right? I mean, no. Me ever my baggy them on the back line. I'm not that, you know. After me ever my baggy them on the back line, this morning when we wake up, guess what? The baggy them missing. Follow that. I only want somebody pass out on the back line. I never see nobody here, so. And I want you to tell that somebody there, yo. Me want me baggy here.
here when I cover. I'm going to shoot up this body of you.
What the?
No, Chu Chu. You know say he's a wicked girl. No, Chu Chu. I'm telling them now. I'm telling them now. Cook up good. Oh, you said me have your
Sorry, me big friend. I never you have me body. No man, let me talk to you. Sorry. Sorry. Me don't go have me body. Sorry. Officer. You know. Officer. You know me have a sneaky suspicion tell you about me.
Stop
money again. Alright. So ask me, what?
No man ever leave here.
You're too bright. I want to never tell them I only have said one time to listen to you. No man at all can left this again. No man. Because if a boy even one left, it's not my something fault. You're too.
Watch this. If him left,
You lucky.
you tell them we'll ask you anything.
Well, you know me know what? It's a family trend. Me know from ask them question there. Something wrong with the family. You see the mama? Mama germs.
Chu Chu.
You see the daddy? Daddy germs. So you must have a young business.
Well.
No, listen now. Daddy germs.
Chu Chu, where are you?
Ah, you can't.
Hi, little girl. You don't have nothing to do.
I was studying for your information.
You don't have to answer to nobody. Anybody that can read and write was supposed to chat.
Hey, go inside and go straight to your bed. And when you start to sleep, you tell me.
You see same thing? That I don't.
Chu Chu, where are you?
What?
I hear something up on the police job and play that you.
They know your business.
Assistant Commissioner for us.
What me no business?
Hey, we know so
What?
that you
Some play that me no table. If we don't come down that we no can play. Oh,
Are you well, Chu Chu?
The man there say not supposed to play now.
Chu Chu, are you well, sir? You can go on.
Man.
What up, Chu Chu? I'll bring her.
No. We no pregnant.
Chu Chu, bring her.
I'll make a tell you a thing. You see, if me find myself to be pregnant, and after you, that baby cannot born.
Hey, Chu Chu. Hey, you. Brother.
No talk to me, no feel me, no mango.
Chu Chu, you know, send me here.
No feel me up. I saw you feel like feel me up, no feel me.
Me no feel you up,
No
sir.
feel me up, me no like you.
All this happened down there.
Me say don't touch me.
Go on, man. Go on, Chu Chu. Go on, man. Listen. Go on, see a tough like.
Yes, but for your information, I'm a tough me tough, a tight me tight, and the bones them right.
Chu Chu, good girl. Chu Chu, good boy. Chu Chu, sit tight, sit tight. All right, no virgin. You want me to set you for Chu Chu? You know what we said about just you want children number 9999. Hey, trust me, this is tie lie, you know. You know tie. Tie said Chu Chu on radio. Said the radio pretty low. Chu Chu go on, turn on the radio can't play. All the try can't play. Chu Chu put on the radio and look at the radio. You see one dead road. Yeah, Chu Chu, we know why the radio can't play. The selector dead. Youth man. Yes, it there? Yes, it there, Mama. Yeah, I'm just sitting on the mango tree. You see that? So what? There can't go no man. There can't give me one. Only control the two same place. You see if I'm cool. Hey, look why you see the woman in lap your hand. Alone, you don't know the woman. Hey, there's style I go down. You know, say that always said I'm not going to rock it. Me always have to put in. And I go. Boy. There, darling. can't give me money, you're a fool. You are getting money. There! You ain't there?
Yes, money.
There! You have money in there? There! If you have money in there, say yes. You have money in there? Serious enough. I mean, and last thing she take the key from you. Dave! You look like she has some trick, you know. How she take the key from me? Dave! Dave! Who want this, you know? Hey, watch out. You know, pay me rent for this, you know. How? You know what plan there for 10 for you, Olivia? Hey, Dave, what about that, you know? How is it on the star? There you know, come out. Hey, you know something I can bring with? There! There! You can't say something. There, you know something about bad on this side, though.
Money there.
You know say you can't come back to me. There! Okay, on with this. There! You don't want to know no man because you know what good. There! Hey! There we come from. There we come from. You know, sir, from here, there. You're not supposed to go nowhere. I'm in a no. Well, contract up now. At that time now. Hey, watch out. Hey, there, Tom Falls, you know. Tom Falls, where you come from? Tom Falls, you know. Man, see, ain't no doing. Start again. That's something I like, Rocky. All right, here we get it. You better go, eh?
The first step, the medication, the next step, we can't get more
All right, here we go. Who are you going to get that?
Yeah.
All right, let's get it. If I get What I tell you? We don't like rough around, you know. Anytime you rough around, how this happen? Where's that way? Tell your man to go away. Go away. What is that kind of pooper? What is this man? Who are you? Hey, you know, Nelly, I'm telling you, you see, all of the people live next door. And a few place, I'm going to do what I call it, but I'm running away. We are running away. I'm going to wake up the yard. I just want 2 green lines. I'm going to squeeze every morning. I won't. Them 2 facing, man. Children. Them 2 facing. Every time you go past, I'm in your business. I'm to be a business, I'm in your business. Yes, dear.
Friend?
Yes, daddy.
You know, say you hide things from me?
No, we're not hiding. No, we're not hiding. We take 13 million in the bank. We're not telling her. We're not telling her. Something wrong.
Remember the last time we got the bank is not a billion for this house. Why is it you keep hiding things from me?
Yes, it is. We don't have them. I want to burn. Not sure burn.
No.
We don't want to burn.
No. That's not what we're talking about.
Not sure egg burn like a bar. He have a year per bar and beg for mercy. Never chose that things right now. Watch it. I mean, one things.
Anyway, your son keep coming up here. Are you hiding it from me?
What? Why the placenta? Son, I want that to be up. Yeah, you look like a man. You're joking.
I am not true.
What do you mean you're not true?
You remember the girl called Sharon, man?
Let me know what's your sister. Yes, I sister. Yeah, bro.
No. Frank, who did have it say? Who did have it say?
Remember he saw on the bar and say, my sister, yes. And then say when they share one baby for me, I remember saying they go forward the way I get big, they're saying that they hand me at the force. What are you doing there? How are you doing there? Where you talking about? Where you talking about?
Anyway.
Hold on. You mean the police boy will come through the gate and say, yeah. You mean number one? You mean number one? Right, so take care of that. Oh my God, you haven't never seen them. From because we're telling me how much he loves her and she's not, and he is nice and he has money. Suppose he breed. What do you mean? Dog man. Suppose he breed her. You don't tell nobody. You tell everybody? No. From Chu Chu, no.
Hi.
Anyways,
Yes.
you're wasting time. Officer Roy, you may have a seat.
Thank you.
Mommy, the next one is yours. I'm not.
Everything is so busy, you know? Exactly.
I take it that you're a little uncomfortable. Exactly. So to go back inside, of course. Outside. Anyways, now that we've got that out of the way, I'm gonna need you two to chit chat.
Yes.
Come on.
Yes.
Don't go overboard now. And don't disappoint me. Okay? As for you, miss. Oh, dear, you little police boy. Who the hell you think you are? Don't ever put your filthy hands on me.
Thank you very much.
Don't do it.
Hold on. What you getting at? Huh? What you really getting at? Hold on. Come here. Hold on. Your mother never tell you about everything.
Like, no.
Hold on. I think you're on the wrong service. Come right here. Your mother never tell you about the lunch appointment with assistant commissioner?
No.
She didn't tell you?
No.
Okay. What about going to Iraq on vacation?
No.
Alright. Okay. So what about the 4 bank account in, big float?
Of course, but But Officer Roy, guess what? You are definitely not my type. You know why? Because I don't want to insipid teeny weeny shiver like a short man don't want.
Hello! I got a call! Run! Jump! What are you talking about?
Officer Roy? That still doesn't make you my type.
No, I'm type B. What are you?
I want 1 million in my account tomorrow, but I still don't want you.
Don't worry.
Leave. Get out.
I like when you play hard to get. Because this name is hard to get.
I am not joking with you. Get out. Get out of my mother's house right now.
Hello. This don't pay for already.
Oh, darling, I love you so much. Oh, honey, you mean the world to me. Without you, darling, my life is empty. Oh, honey.
Them go my guitar.
You get some? Alright, go on in. Go on in before shots start playing the skin. Go on in.
Honey, please be sure to pick me up at the library at 5 and don't be late, darling. I love you.
Go on your favorite shrimp.
I wonder where Assistant Commissioner was sent on. My God, is that good thing to travel still? Is that good thing? Alright. Hey, you see you? No rampant police, pop out, hey, you know. Hello.
Hey, look how ugly face gingerbread police boy. I'm here.
Hey.
See?
You see should have maybe stop and think about it first. So. But I nastiness. So. You see, anytime you can drive a Benz, anytime you can drive a Benz, I will yell and make up tear down my wire fence.
What is your problem?
Him can't come back. Him who? Me say him can't come back. Yeah. Him who, fam? You don't understand English? It's I say him can't come back. Yeah.
You know what? I just dance for the government, just call it back and the farmer can let get out of my side.
Oh, yeah, say him can't come back. Yeah. Oh. Alright, tell him say. You look funny, tell him say. Me say he not come back. You hear me? Oh. Me say him can't. Oh, you know that's all. Tell him something say him can't come back. Don't tell him say oh. You agree with me? You can't come back here. No, I agree with you. Yes.
Where's your love?
I'm here asking you.
No. You want to come out of the office and say that you wanted to go by the library. You know my car is in the garage. So the time I want to be able to pick her, so let's simply ask the officer to pick her up. I don't know she's not home. Wait a minute.
Oh, wait a minute. You go to the library.
Sure.
And you ask the officer to pick her up. Is the officer a librarian?
No, friend, no.
In work at the library?
No, friend.
Is he a teacher?
What the hell are you getting at?
Why the man say you asking to pick up Yaya? I don't give Yaya about fear. And if I give Yaya about fear, that means Yaya must take the bus. Because I say she must take the bus. Her mama say she must take the bus. I mean she must take the bus. I say she must take the bus. The bus. The bus. The bus. The freaking bus.
Why the hell is this that I'm not? What is wrong?
Him can't go back here now.
If who, sir?
The police, why?
I wonder why.
You want me to tell the truth?
Go ahead.
I'm going to tell the truth. Yesterday, boys, him mama dead, and they don't go to the funeral.
That is a lie. Because I know for a fact that the boy's mother is very much better than I. So don't come with that.
All right. You want me to tell you the real truth? Eh? The boys are deported.
You never call him very big to a liar. I don't understand you. It's like you just take this thing for a joke.
All right. You want me to tell you the real truth?
You already told me 2 truths.
Well, this is the 3 truths. You want it? The boy have kids. And the doctor say have cancer, arthritis. He must stay. He can't.
Fine. Hold on. Because I don't, you know something? Listen to me. I want you to listen to one thing you're saying now. Listen to what I have to say.
Listen.
You have a problem with a police officer?
Yes.
I don't. So, in this case now, for all the trials and tribulations that you put me through, if that police officer cannot come back up here, you cannot stay here. End of story.
Hey!
Because me never make a thing with you. You know, so from the other day, me notice you. I'm going like you Miss Creme de la Creme. I'm going like this all that. My point is, I'm going to dig up your file and read out your deeds. No. You see, you have a very short memory. You forget how you get this house? I mean, practically, what they had, make you kill the little old man and get the house. Yeah. Look out there, everybody know already. And the next thing. Me hear you tell you about, ooh, Frank is the only man for me. So I'm going to carry you down at the seaside, make you start cold pebbles. And the next thing, just because you know so the promotion has come up at the workplace, you go to Mr. Johnson, go tell him how me that thief soap. Make me ask you something, Miss Pearl. Your name that thief soap too. Yeah. Man, your nerves are your neck broke.
Are you finished?
No, I'm not finished, but if you have something to say it.
How dare you? How dare you stand here being as if you are so innocent? You don't know damn well you were the one to went to Mr. Johnson. Yes? And I got it from a good source and I can tell exactly who told me.
Well, I'm a Pearl. We get men from somebody who them antenna never shake.
Well, go ahead. Go ahead and talk. Chu Chu. Why didn't you come to me? You are always a talkative one.
No, my friend. You go work one morning. The boss hand you a letter and say, your service is no longer required. And you find out, say, you're back and make them fire you. You don't think I talk to her? No. Pearl, you're lucky me didn't catch you that morning there.
You never thought that you had better sense than that? After all these years, you honestly think that I would have stooped so low to deceive you? Huh?
Look how much good Jesus do for them and them still cruising.
Don't go there. Don't go there. Well, let me ask you this. Because you assume that I was the one who got you fired. That giving a reason I feel my husband. You heard me. But I am the one that is so bad.
Look here. Serious and big and serious. I didn't really want Frank. Frank is a hopeless drug. Yes, it's your husband, but it's the truth. If you like me from a long time, so I work upon it, making work the little stall, let me pay my rent. Well, you never know, but you know now. When me hear say you make me lose my job, I mean, if you couldn't find any other ways and means of surviving, I had to do something.
That's the operative word.
Yeah.
Hearsay.
Look here. I am sorry. It was petty. I did it because I really want to get back at you, and in the worst way, because I know you love Frank. You can't forgive me?
Now think about it.
All right. While you're thinking about it, you see, I have a writ against you. Why are you putting out your eye to the police, boy?
No, you're accusing me.
No, nothing there. Pearl, why your name be? Whatever a dollar sign and chicken, your name in a tick. You love money. And you will put out the little girl for money. I saw some woman steal. From the man flash the dollar sign in them eye. If it's a nice man, wait. That is you. Cut it out, Pearl, cut it out.
What are you getting at?
Let me tell you something. But you never know. Or you know, but you never know. You remember Sharon? Sharon. Let me dig up your file.
Oh, yes, I remember Sharon.
Yes, you remember Sharon. What you remember about Sharon?
It was a rumor that she was pregnant.
And a rumor. Frank, get her pregnant, she have a child for Frank. A son, to be exact. You see the police boy will come up here? Nothing wrong with him, it's just that he's Sharon's son. And if he is Sharon's son, and a Frank's son, you're intelligent enough to go the rest of the maths.
You know what then? All is forgiven because of all this.
Yeah, you're not with Frank. Thank you. I forgive him.
I'm going to sing your love song. Friend, both of us married, I've never sing your love song. From the bottom of my heart, you're a buffalo soldier.
Look for your daughter. Mr. potato chips.
Eating chip. What's the matter here?
Hi, little girl. too at the man. Woo!
Baby!
No, officer.
Uh-huh.
I think for the minute you step through the gate, you're supposed to realize that you're having a problem inside here. Officer, may I ask you a question?
Sure.
How much do you love my daughter?
I love her going to bed.
What plans do you have for her?
Well, listen, tomorrow we're going to get married.
No! What idea?
Maria Passa Passa. You can't marry my daughter. You hear me? You cannot marry my daughter. Before you marry my daughter, you got to marry me first. Let's get back to the
I'm going to be nervous to say I want to say something to you.
Uh-huh.
But tell you what, let me get something somebody would have been about. Del, I think it's here.
Hello. You need to go on. You waste my time. What is the matter? What's the matter?
Look them feel like them are turned in a jelly. Look here, you want this nice lady right here, sir?
You mean this nice lady with the pink and it? Okay,
yes,
good.
of the same father.
Well, listen, okay. According to police business section B, 21-6.
Aye. Officer, with all due respect, not give me book down a station.
Okay.
Just a little part there.
Yeah, what
you have the same father. What that makes you and I?
Well, it's simple. You know, your brothers and sisters.
Yes. Well, that is what your yaya is in now. Shoot me first.
Somebody talk to me! Angry! Cross!
time, we're gonna get funky. Cha-cha, real smooth. Turn it up. I've been loving you long. Stop me now. And you want to be my love is going on. Because heaven to me, loving you too long. I don't stop now.
Passa was written and directed by me, and my name is Everton Dawkins. And it's really heartwarming, to see the response. The cleaner said today, Passa Passa from the streets to the ballroom. We can do it, man, of course. We can. All we do is just our own culture. Nothing different from our own culture. But some people just don't understand. Just our own culture. All right. Now the technical operating that the man who plays the music, turn out the light and turn out time of singing is Mr. Clement Price. I want to say a big thank you to Miss Shelley Weeks and some of the Hilton Hotel for giving us all that we needed to make this possible. When I first came to her, I had no clue as to what to do, but she told me everything. All right, thanks. And then, I want to also thank those who came from far. They know who they be. From Miami, right here watching the play to take back to Miami. Yes. And the other gentleman from New York, or New Jersey, or wherever he's from. All right. So very soon, Passa Passa will be taking the wings of the morning, flying away. All right. Well, we're coming right back here so soon. Of course. All right, now. Yaya was played by Rosanna Hines. A student of the Performing Arts at Excel. And of course we have, sometimes he performs, sometimes he don't. But tonight he is alternating with Juki as the police, but he's a stage manager tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. O'Neil Francis. And the constable, Lickshot Roy, was none other than the great Juki Jam. Stand back! And attitude. Yes, you want to bandit. And if that is a fool, let's go back with the bandit. And the next performer, ladies and gentlemen, if you have to watch a play by your Granny Rule, then she was the Granny. But tonight she is Miss Pearl. Ladies and gentlemen, Sugar Barrett. And for all those who have time and likes plays, and I know you'll remember Ralph Wallace. He's the person who started the whole revolution of the day. Now he's putting together a play at the Ward Theatre. Big boy, yeah, that's all. On the 29th of August. Please go and support Ralph Wallace. Then now we have another lady who, in time she is a teacher out by Harborview, but sometimes she turns herself into really that, I don't know. But tonight you see her as Miss Clemmy. Yeah, she's regularly known. Tonight she is there. Ladies and gentlemen, Chu Don't tonight is the 250th performance of Passa Passa. Before somebody throw my money, I'm going to say,